Magandang umaga mga ka-Agri TV. Ito si Doc J ng Vets in Practice para sa Alagang Abli Biocare. Ngayong umaga, pag-uusapan natin ang pag-aalaga ng mga puppies and kittens. So, meron tayo ditong isang puppy. Galing siya sa isang owner, no? So, dinala niya rito para magawa natin ang mga physical exam at ma-check natin yung status ng kanyang mga vaccination. We recommend na pagkakuha nyo at pag nagkaroon kayo ng puppy, we recommend na pa-check up agad sa inyong mga veterinaryo. We start by checking the mouth, from the nose to the mouth. Yan, we wanna make sure na wala tayong makitang mga congenital anomaly sa kanya or any abnormalities. Next, we check the eye. Some breed, they are prone to have yung entropion. Nagro-roll yung kanilang mga eyelids. So far, this puppy doesn't have that condition. We check the ears for any parasite. So, we check yung mga toes nila. Sometimes, they have extra digits or yung mga daliri sa paa. For male puppy, we check yung testicle. So, we wanna make sure na dalawa yung kanilang testicle. So, importante po yun, Yeah, we palpate the abdomen. We want to make sure there's no pain, there's no any growth or any lump na mararamdaman tayo. We also listen to the heart, Kasi puppies can also have like mga congenital heart disease. Yeah, so far the rhythm is normal. We don't hear any heart murmur. We check the legs with the hips, We rotate the hips. We want to make sure there's no clicking sounds. Especially for mga large breed, that's important to check the hips of the dog. So once na ma-examine natin at physically okay naman siya, so we recommend to the owner na they can keep the dog. There's no medical attention needed naman. And then we check for the history. So tinatanong natin kung saan nila nakuha, saan nila nabili, kung yung parents nakita nila. It gonna give us an idea kung ano yung magiging itsura din niya paglaki niya, Okay, so number one, we check for the vaccination record, yung kanilang health record. So meron siyang health record dito. So we recommend din na pag kayo magkakaroon ng puppy, dapat at least meron ng mga 2 shots, para safe. Para naman sa ating mga kittens, we do the same. We do the physical examination and vaccination and deworming. So deworming, we start also at the age of 2 weeks. And we repeat it every 2 weeks until 8 weeks old. And vaccination, we start at 4 weeks old. And we repeat the vaccines every 3 to 4 weeks until 4 months old. Okay, aside from vaccinations and deworming, importante din yung tick and flea prevention and heartworm prevention sa ating mga tuta. Yung tick and flea prevention, we can start it as early as 2 months old sa ating mga tuta. Depende dun sa body weight nila. We want to make sure na we're giving the right dose sa ating mga alaga. Importante yung tick and flea prevention. So marami silang pwedeng makuhang sakit pag nakagat sila ng mga parasite na yon, especially yung very common sa atin yung ehrlichiosis, yung bumababa yung kanilang platelet at nagkakaroon ng anemia. Yung heartworm prevention naman, in our clinic, we start heartworm prevention injection at the age of 6 months, and then we repeat it again after 6 months, and then we give it after a year. So this is also based on sa kanilang body weight. So, heartworm prevention, this is importante kasi nakukuha yung heartworm sa kagat ng lamok. So, all year round, we have mosquito. So, it's important na meron silang protection against heartworm. Sa kanila namang nutrition, so importante, we give them a balanced diet. So, nowadays, it's very easy to choose yung mga dog food na kakailanganin nila based on their life stages. Like this one, this is a golden retriever. It's considered large breed. So we give a large breed puppy dog food, And once they're nag-matured na, we can easily ship it to adult dog food. I have a very important reminders para sa ating mga alagang puppies and kittens. So, nandun sila sa pinaka-crucial stage sa ngayon. So, madali silang napuan ng sakit. So, lalong-lalo na yung mga sakit na yan, para maiwasan, sundin lang natin yung mga scheduled vaccines na kailangan nila, even the deworming. Don't give any self-medications para sa kanila. Huwag tayong magbibigay ng mga gamot na narinig lang natin, nabasa natin sa internet. And if there's a problem, we need to always go to a reputable or trusted vets na pupuntahan natin. See you again next week for another episode. This is Doc J of Vets in Practice para sa Alagang Abli Biocare. Alagang Abli Biocare, alagang may kalidad yan.